Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. So today I'm back with another new video of mine. So I thought why not capture it and share it with you all. Today I would be coloring my hair. I would be using a Wella color. So without wasting much time, I would be sharing the entire details with you all. Come, let's get started with the video of mine today. So this color I would be using of Wella's koleston, 60 grams, this one tube. Recently I had colored my hair, but just for a little touch up, that's the reason I'm correcting my hair with this color. The shade is 7-77. It's medium blondie brown intensive, and for this I paid, I don't really remember, I will give it in the description how much did I pay, but yes, this is a good product. If you want to color your hair, you can definitely try using Wella's one of these colors. And this is of Streaks Developer 30 volume. This is even a good one. I would be mixing the color with this developer. So let's get started. So this is the developer. The ratio of the color in developer will be 1:1, as in if 1 gram of developer, it will be plus 1 gram of color. That is the way how we do the calculation of color. So we've already put the amount of developer that is required, and the entire one tube of 60 grams of color, we will add it to this and mix it for approximately 20 seconds and then apply it on our hair so that the color will catch well. The color proportion of the developer and color has to be correct. If not, the color will not come up the way it's supposed to. Sure about the calculation that you are putting into the color. It's even mentioned behind the color, so you can go through the instructions. So let's get started. So this is the consistency, friends. As you can see, it shouldn't be very thick nor thin. So by this you can understand calculation of the color and developer is well mixed and appropriate. So let's get started with the video of fast routine. So here my color is getting started. I have worn on the cape, as you can see, and first we have to comb out the hair really well and section it before the coloring by part. Color is being applied from the front. You will leave about half an inch of the root and color it till the ends, and it needs to be emulsified even really well into the hair, as you can see. So this will be repeated the entire hair, section by section, part by part. Apply it, emulsify it till the end. So I will show you the entire result in a short while. One part is done, the left hand side. Now the front portion of the right hand side is started, the color. The same procedure will be repeated from left to right and then at the end, as you can see. The procedure for coloring depends on the length and the thickness of the hair. So my hair takes approximately 20 minutes for coloring it, 15 to 20 minutes. And someone who has shorter hair or longer hair or more density, it will be plus minus accordingly, the duration to color. And then after that we will keep the color for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. So the entire procedure for hair color with shampoo will be approximately 1 hour 15 to 20 minutes. First you need to shampoo your hair, blast dry it well, then apply the color. That will take 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that 35 to 40 minutes you will keep the color on your hair. So approximately 1.5 hours it will take, the entire procedure for hair coloring. It's been emulsified into my hair really well. Section by section you have to do it, not just take the entire amount and just put it on one portion of your hair. The layering has to be correct. Portion is completed. Now the same procedure will be repeated at the back as well. Friends, the color is applied to my hair, but at the end, if there would be any color on your forehead or sides, then just with a wet cotton or any wet wipe, just rub this off well, the corners. And now I would be keeping this color on my hair for approximately 40 minutes. So see you in a while. Completed my shampoo. I washed off my hair really well. So now I need to blast dry it, and then I will show you ultimately how well the color has got. So let's see. So here friends, I would be applying the serum in my hair to remove the dryness, because after coloring your hair becomes quite dry. So let's apply the serum. Apply the serum well, and then I would be blast drying my hair. As you can see, from the mid area till the ends, you have to apply the serum really well into the hair. So here my hair is dried. Now I will partition my hair, and then after I do a quick blow dry with some soft curls. So let's see. So here friends, as you can see, the hair iron curling has started. You have to be very patient and slowly with thin section, part by part, you have to use the hair iron. As you can see, the entire procedure. The procedure is little lengthy because it requires a lot of patience, but slowly you have to do it. The ultimate result is really nice. It looks very stylish, and even if you spray lacquer to it, they sell in the market, L'Oreal and other companies as well, it will be long lasting. So if you are going for a party, definitely you can try this hairstyle, friends. You will really love it. Soft curl friend, you have to gently just comb out your hair and then you will get this result. And as you can see, my hair color is done. This color is a really sober color, so I'm sure it will even suit all skin types where it will be very bright. Apart from that, I even have done slight curls, so let me know how it's looking. Apart from that, this video was a good learning for me and all my viewers. The first step that I learned is the mixing of the color. How is it done? If the ratio is correct, then the mixing and the color, definitely it will be very appropriate and it would look good and enhanced. If not, the color will be very imbalanced. Second thing, the application of the color. The application of the color has to be correct. Then there would be no problem on your scalp. As I had mentioned, for your hair color, at least ½ inch you have to leave from your scalp, and then after that do the color, unless you are doing a root touch up. Third was the blast dry. When you are blast drying your hair, the hair dryer has to be a little bit away from your hair, and your hand has to keep moving in this motion. Okay. And the fourth step, a normal blow dry with the round brush. How my brother did the blow dry, that was even pretty good. And the fifth step was the hair curling, hair soft curls with the hair iron. So I'm sure you'll all like this video, friends. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. I've put a lot of efforts into it, not only me, my brother as well. So please support me, friends. I hope you all like this video, friends. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye.